In today's Canva tutorial, we're going to take a look at how we can add a shadow to a shape. First thing we need to do is head over to Elements to select our shape, and to do that we're going to click on the shapes icon. Then scroll down and you can select any of the shapes that you would like. So for this I'm going to choose a heart, and then I'm just going to expand it to make it a little bit larger. Now we have our heart shape on our canvas. If we go over to edit, it's got this circle and half a square. If we go to edit, it just says edit basic shapes. It doesn't really give us any option for shadows or anything like that. So the next thing we need to do is head over to share, and we are going to download our image, but we need to download it with a transparent background. This is a Canva Pro feature, so if you are subscribed to Canva Pro, that's brilliant. You will be able to do this. If not, and you would like to give it a try, then there's a link in the description. If you click on the link, that will give you a free 30-day trial to Canva Pro, where you can try out this feature and all the other features that Canva Pro has to offer. Once we've selected transparent background, select download. Now we can get rid of this one because we no longer need this design, and head over to uploads, and there we're going to upload the file that has just been downloaded. So we're going to upload that, and there we can see we have our heart that we have downloaded. Now if we head up to edit, we can see now that it's got a different icon. So if we select edit, we have now got a lot more options, and the option we need to select for this tutorial is shadows. If we head over to shadows, we have now got lots of different options for creating a shadow for our shape. So we have got none, we have got glow, drop shadow, we can outline it and we can change the color. We've got a curved shadow, page lift, an angled, or a backdrop. And with all of these options, there is options to change the appearance of the shadows. There we go, you see we can twist it around. So that's a really great way that you can add shadows to a shape. There is another way which is not quite as effective, I don't think, and that is to select a shape. So if we go with a heart again, then we can duplicate, then we can go up here and we can duplicate our shape, and then we're going to change the color of that shape to be black. Then we're going to select position, and we are going to send that to the back. Then we can just position that shape underneath our original shape, and that kind of makes it look like it's got a shadow. And then you can also change the transparency. So if you don't want it to be such a dark color, you can almost make it invisible. That's another way that you can create a shadow effect on shapes. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to click on the link if you want to give Canva Pro a try for 30 days for free, and I'll see you again soon.